We just started geometry, so well, let's start defining the adjacent angles we defined, right? Angles sitting next to each other. Now let's go to this triangle. There are ABC vertices, right? In
Yeah.
this vertex, there is an angle ABC. Always this middle letter indicates the angle, right? So that ABC angle, how can I write it in different ways?
CBA.
Good job. I can write it as CBA. Then
ACB. BAC. Wait, no.
no,
No,
B.
wait. Is
There is
that it?
one more way
B
you
has to be in the middle.
hmm?
It has to be in the middle.
Yeah, what is the other way I can write that same angle?
ACB.
No, B
B
only.
has to be in the middle.
B has to be in the middle, and that's the angle. I'm indicating this angle.
CBA.
CBA is here.
ABC.
I can just say angle B.
Oh.
One letter or three letters with our concern letter in the middle. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that it's important to know this nicely. Now coming back to our adjacent angles, right? So now sitting next to each other, D and B are adjacent, A and D are adjacent, A and D are adjacent, E and B are adjacent. Those are adjacent angles. Now what are congruent angles? What are congruent angles?
That means the same. Yeah, congruent means same.
Biggest thing, guys, okay? I really want you to understand what is the difference between the word congruent and similar. Anywhere, wherever you use it, right? Congruent means these two triangles are congruent. See, the markings are telling you. Do you see the markings?
Yeah.
Markings are telling you that
They're the same.
they're congruent, means same shape, same size. Similar means A, B, C, A dash, B dash, C dash. What is the difference? Same shape,
No, same size.
different size. Here, you know what happens? I can say A, B. See here, guys. A, B. This is A dash, B dash. I can say A, B is congruent. See the symbol to A dash, B dash. Or okay. Otherwise, the triangle can be marked like this. A, B, C triangle is congruent, equal to, and a tilde. This is called a tilde. ABC, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. Similar triangles, triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. Just the tilde. Tilde means their sizes are different. Tilde and equal to means they're congruent, they're exactly the same sides, same angles. Whereas similar means same angles. Angles can't change because angles in a triangle add up to 180, right? So angles can't change, same angles. The sides are of different sizes, meaning sides are proportional. Sides are proportional in the sense, if you have a 2 here, if you multiply by a 2 here, again if you have a 3 here, it should be multiplied by a 2. The same scale, the same factor should be multiplied on all sides to get the other 3 sides of the bigger triangle. So same shape, different size. This is similar. This is congruent. Any questions still here? How about this? Johan, you tell me, Johan. Is I want to know whether these two trapezoids are what, Johan? These two trapezoids are what? These two trapezoids are
Oh, congruent?
congruent because this is exactly, see the markings tell you that clearly. Do you see? And see this angle is equal to the double this angle. This angle is, so the trapezoids are congruent. How about this? Vihan, how about this? Soumya, are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, these two shapes are what? Congruent or similar?
Similar.
Similar. Good job. Nice guess. Okay. Now we talked about okay, let's see. Let's see. Mm, how about this is the angle A? This is the angle B. What can you tell about angles A and B? Who can shout out? What? Mhm.
Angle A is bigger than angle B.
That's true. But other than that,
Um, the angle A plus angle B plus the unknown angle equals 180.
which one, ma?
A plus B and the angle in between.
A is full angle, ma. This one.
Oh, then A plus B equals 180.
When the sum of two angles equal to 180, what do we call them?
Supplementary angles?
Supplementary angles. They are called supplementary angles. When two angles add up to 180 degrees, they are called supplementary angles. Now let me ask you this. What is the supplement of 80? What is the supplement of 80? What is the supplement of 80? Guess?
A and B.
No, no. The number
Would be 40 and 40.
100. 100 is the supplement of 80.
Oh,
What is the supplement of 110?
70.
Good job, 70.
I understand how you
What
understand.
is the, that's okay, that's why I'm asking. What is the supplement of 60?
120.
120. Good job. Now, how about, let's say I have two angles like this. Okay, now angle A, angle B. What can you say about angle A and angle B?
They equal 90 degrees.
Exactly. A and B, the sum will be equal to 90. Wherever the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, I call them complementary angles. Any questions here?
So if it's equal to 90, it's complementary?
Yeah.
Okay.
1 second, guys. 1 second. 1 second. Let me look at the door quickly and come. Somebody's at. Sorry, guys. So now angles A and B are here, they are adding up to 90 degrees. So they are called complementary angles. Must see, this is different from COM, PLI, MEN, TARY. What is the difference between the two?
There's an I in the bottom one, there's an E in the top one.
What is the difference? What does this mean? This is this complementary. What does this mean, the other one?
Complimentary means like like saying nice things to someone.
Exactly. Complimenting each other means you're saying nice things about somebody. That compliment is different from this. Okay, it's E. Now, complementary angles. Here, what is the complement of 10? What is the complement of 10?
80.
80. What is the complement of 40, Johan?
Oh, 50.
What is the supplement of 170? Soumya, can I ask you? What is the supplement of 170? What is the supplement of 170? Okay, Nikita, go ahead. What is the supplement?
Miss Priya, I'm confused because my Wi-Fi didn't work for a second, but then I logged back in, but then I logged in.
You're going to listen to people now. What is the supplement of 100, Vihan?
80,
80. What is the supplement of 120?
60,
60. Okay, now question to Shrestha. What is the supplement of 170?
10,
10. Now, what is the complement of 80? Johan, what is the complement of 80?
10,
10. What is the complement of 50?
oh,
What is the complement of 50?
40,
40. Did you understand, Nikita? Nikita?
you, I think she disconnected again.
Yeah, I think her. Yeah. Thanks, Johan. So nice of you.
No, I'm.
Vihan or Johan, whoever said. Okay. Now, guys, did you learn something new?
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Now I'm going to make it a little complicated. Okay, adjacent angles we learned. And vertical angles, do you all know what it is? Vertical angles means whenever two lines meet, the opposite, right? They are called vertical angles. A and B are vertical angles. They are always congruent. Vertical angles are always congruent. Any questions here? Can I,
Miss,
Yama?
wouldn't that mean the horizontal ones would be congruent too?
Yes, that's true. Hey, and one more thing I forgot to say. Okay, now I drew that, right? Let me draw that again. So this is A, this is B, right? This is C, this is D. What can you tell about A and C? Let me see who finds it. What can you tell about A and C?
They're adjacent.
Good, but there's more to it.
They're supplementary
They're
angles.
supplementary angles. Very nice. They're supplementary angles. Why? They form a straight angle. You get it? Straight line. They form a straight line. A and C form a straight line, right? So they are called straight angles or linear pair. They are called supplementary angles, or I can say they are supplementary. Okay. Or I can even call them linear pair. Why? Why a linear pair? They form a line. See, line. They form a linear pair. These things are important, guys. Note down again and again. Go through these. Okay. It'll all be very useful as we move up. A seventh grade geometry, everything again and again. You'll be studying all this. Instead of that, now itself, if you study, it's easy. How now? Let's see. Okay, how about this? It's a good one. Oh, you have not studied. Oh my God. Okay. How about this? This is a good one. Now itself you can do. This is a good one. Review for star as well as not great, guys. Hold on, I don't know why I'm getting this. Give me a minute, okay? I really need to fix this. Mm, oh my God, I really want some of it to go. Give me a minute. Mm, Okay, so if I delete it. Okay, now let's see. Let me try pasting. Yeah, Do you see the triangle?
Yeah.
Yes.
I can read.
Can you make it
Yeah,
bigger?
yeah, yeah, I can make it bigger, guys. Is this bigger?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the value of angle A? What is the value of angle A? This one, it might be easy. Next one will be a little hard.
I sent my answer.
Go ahead. You're confused. Okay, what are you confused on? I need help. Oh, wow.
I said I sent my answer.
I saw that. Okay, Johan. Johan has a different answer. Vihan has a different answer. Are you all answering to what is asked first of all? Angles in a triangle add up to what, Sreshta? These are all angles in a triangle, right?
Yeah, they add up to 180.
Can we form some equations?
Yeah, I formed an equation. I got A is equal to 95.
Same.
Sure.
So
Sreshta, did you get it?
Yeah.
You see? So x and x can be combined to form 2x plus 70 equal to 180.
Minus 70.
Subtract 70, 2x equal to
55.
110. X will be to 55.
5. And
So
then
let me
40 plus
simplify it.
50.
I asked you what is angle A. So what do you do, Sreshta?
You would add 40 plus 55.
Yep, that's the answer.
Okay.
Johan, it was not 75, Johan. Johan?
Okay.
Did you... Now, how about this? I'm going to ask you one more question on this. Complementary, supplement, all these angles, this is important. Can you find the value of x in the given figure? Can you find the value of... Oh, again, started. Okay. 1 second, guys.
Miss Priya, can you hear me now?
I can very well hear you. I'm glad you're very better. How about this? In this, find out DBC. Find out what is DBC. That's the question.
1 second. Is my answer correct?
Yeah, I got a different answer. Let me quickly check. Hmm. Yeah, I got a different answer, Vihan. How did, do you want to show it on the board how you did it?
Okay. My mouse isn't showing up. I can't. Right. My mouse isn't on the.
Okay. Can I can write it on the board. You want to say?
Okay. Yeah.
You want to say?
Yeah. Okay. So what I did was that I basically minus 180 minus like 10 minus 180. So then I got 170.
110, what is it, 110?
180
Yeah,
minus
180 minus
10.
10. Okay. Then, no, first did you write the equation out?
Yeah. 5x plus 10 equals 180.
Mm-hmm.
So
Then,
then, huh?
then what happened, ma?
Well, yeah, and then I got 170.
Mm-hmm.
So then I divided 170 by 5.
Johan, are you following Johan? Mm-hmm.
I am.
34.
Oh, wait,
Then somebody continue. Somebody else continue. We got x equal to 34. We want angle DBC. What should we do?
Which means you do 34 times 2 to get your angle.
Good job. Do you get it, guys?
yeah, I get it.
No problem. See, this is, we are leveling you a little bit up. It'll be like that. Can I move on? Johan, did you get it?
I got 140.
Yeah.
Where did you get 140? Can you tell me what you did?
I did
Mm-hmm.
5x plus 110 is equal to 360.
What is that, ma?
I did 5x plus 10 is equal to 360.
360, but this forms a line. This is a straight line, right?
Oh, that's 180. 360 is a circle. Okay, yeah.
Exactly, correct.
That's because we just learned about circles in math. So,
Ah, I see. I got it. How about this? This is 40, this is 90. Can you educate me what is this? Angle B. Shrestha, how do you pursue this?
First, you would add 90 and 40.
Mm-hmm.
Then you would subtract 130 minus 360.
Uh-huh, good job. That is it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys are good with this, but that's not. Okay. How about this? Let me throw a little, throw you off a little bit. This is based on your sixth grade knowledge. Okay. Since we did this, I want you to do this and tell me. What is the area of this composite figure? What is the area of this composite figure? I'll wait, guys. You're going to find.
reset my answer.
Mm-hmm. Let me check. Mm. 5 so 25.
My answer.
Each of you are giving one answer. I'm a little worried. 73, 71, 64, 91. 4 different answers.
Oh, Miss Priya, I messed up. Can I reset my answer?
Yeah, please. I can do this problem on the board. So the composite area is equal to the square area plus trapezoid area, right? Square area. What is the square? I'll put it in this color. Square area is 5 times 5 feet square, which is 25 feet square, right? Square area and then the trapezoid area. Trapezoid area, how do you calculate? Half times base 1 plus base 2. Base 1, this is base 2, and the height is this height, which is 6, right? Half times 14 times 6, which is 14 times 3. 3 1 is 3, 42. So that is feet square. Now total area is 42 plus 25 is 67 feet square.
Wait, but isn't 8 plus 5 13?
Yes, I agree. I was about to check, 13. Perfect. That's fine. 39, right? Okay. Good.
I got 30.
39 plus 25.
Yeah,
Sorry,
and then I got 64.
sorry. 64 is correct. 64 is the right answer. You guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay, can we do one more? My composite area, I'm a little iffy, guys. It's at the 3rd grade level. I asked you. Okay, let me give you one more. How about this? How about this? Find the composite figure. Only the shaded portion. Find the area of this composite figure. Achha.
I said my answer.
Be careful when you do, okay? Because what is degrees? Vihan is the answer in degrees. You have to be careful when you send out to me units and all. I will check. If you don't have units and all as well, it's incorrect. If I ask you for area, how are you all giving feet? Is feet the area? The figure is in inches. I'm asking for the area. You're giving me in feet. What is going on here? I'm a little scared now.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Yeah, is my answer correct too?
Yeah, Vihan, this is better. I really like to see the correct units as well. It's not inches, ma. Inches are it's not the unit of area.
Wait, it is inches.
Not the unit of area.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So here when you look at it, right?
I fixed it.
So first the rectangle area. Rectangle area is 8 inches times 10 inches. It is 80 inches square. Now for the triangle area, half times base times this height is 6. So that would be 30 inch square. So added sum is 110 inch square.
Yes.
Can I move on? Good job, guys. If you're all doing this well, great. Happy. Let's see. Soumya, are you listening, Soumya?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? Do you know how to find the area of this polygon? This is all 6th grade level only. Okay, I'm not moving up. Do you know how to find the area of this polygon? These are all composite areas. If I see gaps, I'll do more problems.
So what is
Wait, Miss Priya, what's the question again?
What is the area of this figure given?
so we use the graph, like the numbers like
Yes, use the graph. Yes, because you have used coordinates. See, these problems are a little off from your usual, right?
yeah.
Yeah, so think about it. How will you determine to find out the area of the figure? What do you need? You need the measurements, correct?
Yeah.
Is my
Yeah.
answer correct?
Get the measurements from the coordinate figure. 1 minute, ma. Nikita, you got it. Johan, you are getting, but your answers are different. I don't know. Johan, there is no unit in your answer. Nikita, thanks for adding the units, ma. Really nice.
You're welcome.
Well, not really, Nikita. Is this right? I don't know. Wait. 3, 4, 3, 12, and then 3. I don't know. Oh, no, I am not matching. My answer doesn't match with any of your answers. Okay. Johan, how did you put 16? Can you explain? How did you put 16, Johan?
First 4 minus 7 is 3.
1 minute, wait. 4 minus 7.
I mean no, BC
Mm.
equals 3
Okay.
units.
Units, nice. Thank you.
And then AD equals 5 units.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And then I don't know how to say it. It's like it's BA, I guess. It's like
BA, correct. BA is what?
okay, is 3 units.
No, that
I
is
mean 4.
correct. That is not 4. How do you know it is 4? Because it's slanted. I can only talk about this. This is 3
Oh,
units. I can't even talk about that because I don't know. It's slanted.
You could talk about the straight angle.
Yeah, you can only talk about these straight lines. That's all.
okay.
But you can find the area of the trapezoid with this, right? It's a trapezoid.
Yeah,
Yeah, 3
I
plus 5
found the
base,
area of the
half
trapezoid.
times 3. Half times base 1 plus base 2 times height. So 4 times 3, 12 units square. Your answers are correct, guys. Got it?
Wait, you said my answer was wrong though.
Amma, I'm sorry, ma. Your answer was correct. I'm saying 1 or 2, a couple of you gave 12 units square. So that is
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Nikita. Sorry, Nikita.
Yeah,
Whatever. Can we stop here, guys? Looks like we'll do more work on composite areas for this week.
So
I'll-
the whole
Yeah, the homework will be 2 mock tests and some problems in composite area.
okay.
Okay.
I never expected this, okay? Seems like there is a gap. So let me give you. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Bye, guys. See you all next
Bye.
Bye.
See you next week.
time.
Bye.
Miss Priya.
Bye.